Hello guys and welcome here. Thank you so much for watching today. So I'm about to share with you my new makeup finds of TJ Maxx and Marshalls. Let's begin. I have found these Josie Maran Vibrancy foundations new at TJ Maxx. These were in the shade Electric 035, running for $12.99 at TJ Maxx. They also have this new product here from this brand, Whipped Mud Mask, Argan Hydrating and Detoxifying Treatment. This is for $14.99. And also they had this product right here, Whipped Argan Oil Face Butter. I love her skincare a lot. This was for $14.99. I also did found this new set here from Josie Maran. It has 3 products included: pure argan milk, a moisturizer, and also a glow facial oil. This set was for $39.99. I also had this new product here from Bobbi Brown, tinted moisturizer SPF 15, running for $19.99. I found in the shade medium to dark tint and also extra light tint. Also they had these ones in different packaging. This is nude finish tinted moisturizers for $19.99 in the shade light to medium. This was also a very exciting find. I found this tinted moisturizer from Laura Mercier. I love her tinted moisturizers. These were in the shade nude, mini size, going for $9.99. They had this really expensive Christian Louboutin brand here at TJ Maxx. I found one single piece of random lipstick here. This was in the shade red and going for $54.99. They also had this new here from Ciate London, the Trend palette, and this is what it looks like on the inside, going for only $6.99. Also they had more of these MAC travel exclusive eyeshadow palettes in Ombre for $19.99. They also had one single piece of Chubby in the nude foundation stick from Clinique in the shade 06 Ivory, going for $9.99. I found couple of new palettes from Pupa Milano. This is an Italian brand. So this palette right here is Wake Up and Makeup. They also had couple of other ones. So this is how Wake Up and Makeup looks like. It looks like you get a lot of different products, going for only $7.99. Also they had this one called Snappy Hour. This is what it looks like on the inside. Looks like you're getting concealers and lip products, eyeshadows, and also 2 brushes for $7.99. I'm kind of like curious to know how this formula works. I have never tried anything from this brand. Let me know if you have tried anything from them and how this formula is. They also had this giant kit from them. This is date night makeup kit. As you can see, it has a lot of different products included and looks like it has 2 compartments. This is what it looks like on the inside. This set was for only $9.99. $9.99 is great for this many products. At TJ Maxx, they had more of these NARS duos. It has a mini size of lip balm and mini size of blush for $12.99. And they had this new shade for Bobbi Brown lipstick. This was in the shade Cocoa, going for $9.99. And they had this line smoothing concealer from Clinique in 04 medium for $9.99. Also, they had more of these Essence lip gloss sets. So you get 5 full sizes of lip gloss in a lot of gorgeous shades for only $4.99. They had these 3 different brushes from Smashbox. Full coverage foundation brush. This is what it looks like. This was going for only $3.99. I'm sure this price tag is wrong. They also had this powder brush right here. This is what it looks like, and it was running for $14.99. And they had this one single piece of fan brush from Smashbox. This was for $11.99. Also they had this BH Cosmetics Illusion 16 color shadow palette here at TJ Maxx for only $4.99. I love BH Cosmetics eyeshadows. From brand Jouer, they had this brow definer crayon here. This was in this shade right here. I don't know how to pronounce it. Very affordable for only $3.99. From Clinique, they had this new here, Even Better Refresh Hydrating and Repairing Makeup in two different shades, 118 and 117, for only $7.99 each. They also had this L'Oreal Lash Paradise Glitter Topper. This is for only $3.99. I love Lash Paradise mascara. I have never tried this glitter topper. They also had this rose gold eyeliner as well from L'Oreal Lash Paradise. These were for $2.99 each. They had couple of new shades for MAC Studio Fix Fluid SPF 15 foundations, NW30, NC10 and NW35. These are for $14.99. And they had this Studio Sculpt SPF 15 here in the shade NW40 for $14.99. They also had a bunch of these Paradise Set mattifying setting spray from BH Cosmetics. Love this packaging. These are full size of product for $5.99. And they also had this Essence Glow to Go highlighter palette here at TJ Maxx for only $2.99. They also had a tons of Glow Body sticks from Becca here in the shade Champagne Pop. These are for $12.99. Also, they had these blush trios from ABH in Pink Passion and Cocktail Party for $10.99 each. They also had these Sephora brushes back in stock in number 5.6 and 5.7, and this little concealer brush for $3.99, and 5.6 and 5.7 is for $5.99. And you guys, this Barbie X Pure blush and eyeshadow palettes are back in stock. I see these in couple of different locations for $12.99, and the blush palette is for $9.99. And they had this Clinique blended face powder here in the shade Transparency Bronze for $12.99. This time they had a tons of different skincare from Origins. So this is 3-part Harmony Nourishing Cream for Renewal, Repair and Radiance. Sounds great, for $39.99. And they had this Make a Difference Plus Rejuvenating Treatment, $14.99. And also they had this No Purfree Cooling Roll-On for Poofy Eyes for $14.99. They also had more of Origins skincare here, cleansing makeup removing jelly for $12.99, and then they had this Out of Trouble 10-minute mask here. It looks really nice. I love their face mask. This is also for $12.99, and then they had this Essence lotions with dual ferment complex for $16.99, and they had this new here from Peter Thomas Roth oilless oil 100% purified squalene. Sounds amazing, for $24.99. Also, they had this really cool looking product from brand Goop Beauty. This is 5% glycolic acid fruit peel. So you get 4 peels here for $14.99, and also they had bigger size here. You get 12 peels. This is for $39.99. They also have more of these Laura Mercier translucent loose setting powder with glow brush. These were in the shade medium deep for $19.99. And they had a couple of new shades for Laura Mercier lipsticks. Blush pink, I have never seen this before, and rose clear. These are always for $9.99. Cool to see more shades. I love these lipsticks. And they had this Grown Alchemist little trio. It has a lip balm, hand cream and face moisturizer for $9.99. They also had these new eyelashes from Sephora collection in style Celebrity 2-3 for $3.99. And they had these Estee Lauder Take It Away makeup removers here for $14.99. They also had this really good brand here. This is a cleanser from them. This is pretty huge in size, going for $29.99. And they also had this 10% glycolic solutions from Peter Thomas Roth. We have seen toner from this collection, Never the moisturizer, going for only $19.99. Very affordable. And also they had this brand here. I don't know this brand, but it was pretty expensive. This is an eye cream from them for $26.99. And they had this dramatically different hydrating clearing jelly from Clinique, mini sizes for only $5.99. From Kate Somerville, they had this exfoliate and glow try me kit. It has a mini moisturizer, mini face wash and mini exfoliator. I love moisturizer and exfoliator a lot. I have used these products in the past. This set is for $19.99. Good price if you want to try them out. From the Creme Shop, they had this complete cleansing cushions here. Looks very cute. I love these type of products. This is for only $3.99. Also, I found this lavender scent face mist from brand ST Ives for $3.99, new here at Marshalls. And they had this smoothing souffle from Origins. Great to see Origins here for $14.99. They also had this Ren Clean Skincare here. This brand sells at Sephora. So I found this moisturizer from them. This is a body moisturizer for $10.99. And they had this new here from Philosophy. This is a Essence. It looks really nice. Love this brand for $9.99. From Pacifica, they had this Crystal Dewy Setting Sprays here for $4.99. Love this vegan and cruelty-free brand. They also had these Stray Victon Multi-Action Super Green Smoother Cooling Gel Mask here for $16.99. My mom really loves this brand. And they had this little set from Neutrogena. This is a winter hydration skincare set. So it has 3 different products for only $5.99. So this is pretty much it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed this little store tour. Thank you so much for watching. You have wonderful rest of your day. Bye bye.